Quick, graph y equals the quantity of 2x cubed by hand, two different ways. It is highly recommended that you watch the video how to graph y equals f of the quantity k times x before watching this video. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during the video. The first way is with what we call the cubic dance, and normally we start at the origin. The coefficient of x, which is 2 inside the parentheses, does not affect this point. As you can see, when x equals 0, y is also still equal to 0. Plots are going to be plotted relative to the origin. Since k equals 2, the curve is narrower than the parent function, and also recall that the coefficient 2 is inversely proportional to the horizontal dilation factor. That is, we're going to multiply each x value by the reciprocal of 2, which is 1/2. So normally the cubic dance would be right 1, up 1, but with this function, it's going to be right 1/2, up 1, because 1/2 times the x value, 1 is 1/2. The y value remains unchanged. So we'll plot right 1/2, up 1. Right 2, up 8 is the next step in the cubic dance. But for us, it's going to be right 1 up 8. 1/2 of 2 is 1. See if you can get two other points to the left of the origin. Press pause and resume when you're ready. Left 1, down 1 is our next dance. For this one, though, it'll be left 1/2, down 1. And then left 2, down 8. Will be left 1, down 8. Connect the points, and this is the graph of y equals the quantity of 2 times x cubed. Comparing that to the parent function, you can see that this is a horizontal shrink. We should also point out, since the quantity of 2x cubed is identical to 8 times x cubed, these two graphs, the orange and green graphs, are identical. Second way, using a table. This is our x cubed table of values. Since k equals 2 inside the parentheses there, the horizontal dilation factor is its reciprocal, which is 1/2. So we're going to keep the y coordinates the same, and then multiply each x coordinate by the reciprocal of k, which in this case is 1/2. So 2 times 1/2 is 1, so we'll plot the ordered pair 1, 8. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2, 1/2, 1. The origin remains unchanged. Go ahead and pause and do the last 2 points. Resume when you're ready. So -1 times 1/2, -1/2, -1. And -2 times 1/2 is -1, -8. Connect the points and compare it to the parent function, again, a horizontal shrink, the green function. Now you try one. Graph y equals the quantity of 3x cubed. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here is that answer, another horizontal shrink.